on.
Let us go down.
Get going.
There confuse their
Fuck me
language,
dead.
that they may not understand one another's speech. Genesis 11,
What are you doing?
6-7. The continued use of a perfect language. What sort of culture, what kind of oral tradition would chimpanzees establish after a few hundred or a few thousand years of communal use of a complex gestural language? And if there were such an isolated, continuous chimpanzee community, how would they begin to view the origin of language? Would the gardeners and the workers of the
Oh my fucking god.
be remembered
Fair income.
legendary folk heroes or gods of another species? Would there be myths like those of Prometheus, Thoth, or Oannes about divine beings who had given the gift of language to the apes? In fact, the instruction of chimpanzees